Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today we have the Rival gun. Pretty cool. So we're going to be unboxing this today. I think it looks really nice, and I'm just going to say, oh, there's a little Cosmo over there, but I'm just going to say this is pretty fantastic. Now, I didn't think I was going to be unboxing this, but I am for sure. So, yeah, let's get a move on. Alright, so first, this is going to be unboxing for later. This is a Cloud Rider HD 2.0. Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. I like the Marshall I can cut through there. You know, gotta always be prepared. Arr! I was really scared though. It was like a huge knife. And it was just like cut the top right here. Let's see here. Let's try to get it about in here. Maybe we should get this side. Yeah, let's just get this side actually. That was pretty easy. Whoa, this is huge. Okay, whoa. Huh? Oh man, this is jackpot. Okay. Whoa, that's pretty big. Wow. All right. Let's try to open that. Let's get that knife again. Where'd I put that knife at? Ah, right here. Okay. Just cut these. You know, just doing something really casual, just using like the sharpest knife on earth to cut a little toy. Jeez, this thing actually doesn't even go. Obviously, I have some stronger, so. Yeah. Dang, this hurts so much. Alright, let's try that again. I need a better one. I don't even know any better one. That was like a beast right there. That's my work. Whoa. I get killer knife now. Oh, please be careful. Oh. Ow. That's it. Oh. Where did I put those scissors at? I swear. Those scissors are like those scissors are garbage. Oh my god, it's like bleeding. I stabbed myself. I need scissors. Oh man. Should have used the scissors. That had to be so dangerous. Guys, please be careful. This scares me for you guys now. Oh. This was a lot easier too. Oh man, okay. Some of these are actually kind of rough. Okay, with the knife it made it a little easy, but you know, I'm gonna cut them without the knife because you know I'm not gonna cut myself. No, I'm not doing that. Oh man. Oh man, come on. Oh man, come on. Oh. There we go. Oh. Oh, there's one more. Okay. No problem. Got extra ball right here. Okay. Scissors are so dangerous. I'm better with scissors than a knife. Man. Alright, so we got a bunch of bullets now. Oh, so many. Oh, I'm trying not to lose all of them. Yeah, I'm trying not to lose them. Yeah, it's a lot of them, so yeah. Losing these. Plus, I really smelled it. Oh, man. Oh, it's bleeding bad now. Oh, hopefully I don't get this infected. Alright, the bullets just... Oh, the bleeding hurts so much. Oh. Stabbed right there. I've only got once. This is my second time getting stabbed. This first time getting stabbed in the hand. I got stabbed in the eye once. Yeah, that was so painful. That was so painful though. Alright. It's just a gun. Okay. I know what to do. I don't know why I put out the instructions. No one reads instructions. Oh, this is where the knife is. I'm surprised that knife don't got no blood on it. Oh, it went right through my skin. I hate to listen to that. Like, oh, what if it got stuck in there? Ugh. Man, what if it really got stuck in there? Okay. Alright. Righty, okay. Let's get this part out. Alright. Oh my gosh. That, and then we put it, where do we put this? Where's the box that it'd be hanging? Where would it be hanging? Put your bullets in. We just like, oh, we put it in there, did we? No. Oh, we put it in here. Yeah, we would. All right, I see. See it, it goes. Oh, we put it like that. Probably more like. Like that. Yeah, there we go. There you go. Check it out. Oh, try to get it out. Oh. That's a joke. This is dumb. Alright, so like, seems pretty cool. Yeah. I'll try putting a bullet in there. Great, alright. So yeah, I think it's pretty cool. So anyways guys, bye.